How to delete Shopee account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how you can delete Shopee account permanently. So let's just get started with the process. First of all, go ahead and open up the Shopee app on your device, and after you've successfully logged in, you're going to go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the right side, bottom right corner, and you will be taken to this page. So in order to go with the further process, tap on the gear icon at the top corner, top right beside the shopping section, and you will be taken to your account settings where you'll be finding a bunch of settings available. So you're going to scroll a bit and you're going to look out for this option called request account deletion. And please note that the account deletion is irreversible, which means if you delete your account, there is no recovery. So make sure you are sure about deleting your account. If you're sure, just go ahead and click on OK, and your account will be deleted. And that's it. That is how you delete your Shopee account super easily. So follow the steps, and I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video. And also don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon to get updated about our latest videos.